What if I told you that one of the easiest AI businesses that you can start right now is resume and CV optimization, and all you really need is this one PDF tool? So today I'm breaking down how to start an AI job servicing business using resume and CV optimization, and how Wondershare PDFelement is the tool that makes this whole thing possible. Most people hear AI job servicing and think it sounds complicated, but it's actually quite simple. AI job servicing means you sell a service to clients, but instead of doing all the work manually, you use AI tools and software to deliver the result. You're not selling your time or personal skills, you're selling an outcome. In this case, the outcome is a professional ATS-optimized resume that helps people get more job interviews. Clients don't care how the resume is created, they care that it looks professional, passes applicant tracking systems, and increases their chances of getting hired. That's exactly why this business works well. Why resume optimization is a great AI business. Resume and CV optimization is one of the best AI job servicing niches right now because people are constantly applying for jobs, competition is higher than ever, and most resumes never even reach a human recruiter. That's because companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATS, which automatically scans resumes and keywords, formatting, and structure. If a resume isn't optimized for ATS, it gets rejected almost instantly. When you offer resume optimization, you're solving a really painful problem. You're helping people write their bullet points, improve clarity, and present themselves more professionally. That's why people are willing to pay $200 to $300 or more for the service, especially if they're applying for higher paying roles. So the tool that makes this business work, once again, it's called Wondershare PDFelement. So now let's talk about the tool and how this entire strategy actually works. So most clients already have their resume saved as a PDF, and they want the final version delivered as clean, professional PDF. So that's exactly what PDFelement can do. It allows you to edit resumes directly without rebuilding everything from scratch. With Wondershare PDFelement, you can edit text inside PDFs, fix formatting issues, adjust spacing, align sections properly, and apply a professional layout. And here's what makes this even better. PDFelement also comes with built-in resume and CV templates. So if a client is starting completely from zero, no resume, no structure, you can instantly choose a modern template and build a professional CV from scratch for the client. That means you don't need design skills, you don't need word formatting experience, you just need a system. And that's what makes this business beginner friendly. So how this business actually works from start to finish. Let me walk you through a realistic example of how this business works from start to finish. So step one, you obviously need to find clients. So first you find clients, and you can do this on LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, Facebook, job seeker groups, or even by messaging people who have open to work on their LinkedIn profile. So your offer is pretty simple. I help professionals optimize their resumes for ATS systems and improve their chances of getting interviews. Once a client agrees, they upload their resume as a PDF. And if they don't even have a resume yet, that's even better, because you can create it from scratch using PDFelement's built-in resume templates. You gather their experience, rewrite it with AI, and place it into a clean professional template. That instantly increases the value of your service. Next, you use AI to write and optimize the content. This includes strengthening bullet points, improving clarity, and optimizing keywords based on the role they're applying for. And here's where it gets really powerful. You can copy the job description the client wants, the exact job description, and paste it into Element AI Assistant as the AI to extract key skills, required keywords, core competencies, and then tailor the resume specifically for that role. This drastically increases ATS compatibility, but it doesn't stop there. You can even ask the AI assistant to generate potential interview questions based on that job description, along with strong sample answers. So now you're delivering an optimized resume, a job-specific ATS strategy, and an interview preparation support. This is a premium service that you could charge even more than just CV improvements. Step number 3. Polish everything in PDFelement. Once the content is ready, you can open the resume in Wondershare PDFelement. This is where everything comes together. You replace the alt text with the optimized content, fix spacing and alignment, clean up headings, and make sure the resume looks professional and easy to read. You're essentially turning an average resume into a premium client-ready document. And if needed, you can apply one of PDFelement's resume templates to instantly upgrade the design. When you're done, you export the final version as a polished PDF and deliver it to the client. From the client's perspective, this feels like a high-end, done-for-you service, even though most of the heavy lifting is actually handled by AI and the right tools. Now, let's talk about pricing and profits. So, for resume optimization services, entry-level pricing usually starts at around $100, $150. Most professionals comfortably charge $200 to $300 per resume. Executive resumes can go even higher, especially if you pair it with some additional tips or even consulting. When you add professional templates, AI keyword optimization, ATS targeting, interview question packages, you're no longer just editing a resume. You're offering a career positioning service. That's why this could be a high margin business. Your costs are very low, AI tools are inexpensive, and Wondershare PDFelement is either a one-time purchase or an affordable subscription. So you should target a margin of around 80 to 90%. And remember, you're not starting from scratch each time. You're using systems, templates, and tools to deliver consistent results. Why PDFelement is essential? This entire strategy only works if your final delivery looks professional. That's why Wondershare PDFelement is such an important part of the process. If you want to run an AI-powered CV and resume optimization business, you need a tool that lets you properly edit PDFs, control formatting, apply professional templates, deliver high-quality, client-ready documents, and honestly, you can even use this same workflow for your own resume. So even if you never turn it into a business, you can still gain valuable skill and better career asset, a better CV for yourself. So if you want to start an AI job servicing business with resume and CV optimization, Wondershare PDFelement makes this entire workflow simple, and it's not just for CVs. You can also use it to do OCR scan paper documents, sign contracts digitally, merge multiple PDFs, manage tax receipts and invoices, and even annotate study materials. I've dropped the link in the description below. Try it for yourself and explore the full workflow. If this video helped you, check out my channel for more AI business ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.